Today I'm going to show you how to remove fence in Adobe Photoshop. First, create a new layer. Now, select your brush tool from the toolbar, and with a hard round brush, make the brush opacity 100%. And the flow 100%. Click the foreground color. You can choose color whatever you want. And just paint over the fence. After you have painted all over the fence, hold the Ctrl key, and click on the thumbnail of the top layer to make a selection. Now, turn off the layer. Select the background. Go to Edit. And open your Content-Aware Fill window. Play with the fill settings to see what works best for your image. And choose Output a new layer. Then hit OK. Press Ctrl D to delete the selection. And that's it. Thanks for watching.